I get this question a lot at different dive sites or whenever somebody sees me with one of my scuba tanks here. And that question is, how do you get your tanks silver like that? How do you get them into that base metal color? Everybody complains about when they buy tanks, they're different colors or whatever. If they buy them used, they look like crap because have been painted and repainted. And everybody always asks me, how do you get it so clean? How do you get it back to that original silver color? And I'm going to show you today exactly what product I use and how simple that is. I'm not going to go step by step through the whole thing. I think you'll figure it out, but stick with me and maybe you'll learn something. Now, here's the product that I use. I'm going to butcher the name here real quick so somebody can correct me down in the comments below. Mostenbacher's Liftoff. It is like an orange gel consistency, water-based paint varnish stripper. And that's what I use. I use this specifically because it's water-based and I don't have to worry quite so much about being around the seals on the tank itself. Even though I do tape those off to try not to get any on there, I feel a little bit more comfortable using a water-based stripper. So this is the product that I use and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Okay, forgive the bad lighting, but we're going to start with this base white tank. Or at least we think it's base white. However, after clearing a small section, you can see that it's actually blue underneath the white. So that means we're going to be going through 2 layers of paint here. And as you can see, I've gone ahead and taped off that valve to try to keep as much of the stripper away from the seals as absolutely possible. All I do is coat the tank top to bottom with the stripper. And the instructions say wait 5 to 10 minutes. I usually wait about 20 to 30 minutes. And then I just start scraping with a plastic scraper. And slowly but surely, as you can see, all that old ugly paint comes right off there. Towards the end of the process, I'll use a little bit of sandpaper and some steel wool. And then this is what you get. It's going to have like a dull sheen to it at first, but if you keep with the steel wool and you keep buffing it, it's going to come out that perfect silver color. Which takes us back to where we started. So there you go. That's how I go ahead and strip all my tanks down to the bare metal and get all those ugly colors that other people have put on there over the years off of them so that all my tanks have a universal look and a universal feel to them. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Anybody can do this. Well, that's our short little video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Maybe you learned something. Maybe you didn't. I hope you did, or else you wouldn't be sticking around this long. And if you did, you know I'd appreciate that thumbs up like. Feel free to follow us on Instagram. And maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe. Or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.